Well, hey, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we get to see the choice items for the September Ipsy Glam Bag as well as the Ultimate Bag. I've yet to see Plus. They just come out with Plus right as I was editing this. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also hit your subscribe button to make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read that first comment from my last video, which was showing some spoilers for BoxyCharm add-ons. Well, thank you so much, Norma Perez. Norma says hi, sweetie. Well, hi, Norma, honey. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. And I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so. During that 5 seconds, you're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020, and who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. Now let's go ahead and start with the Ipsy September Glam Bag, the standard bag, of course. Now again, these are the choice items. So these are the items you get to choose. So first is the Derma E Advanced Peptides and Collagen Serum. Next is the It Cosmetics CC Plus Cream with SPF of 50+ in the shade Fair. Next is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara in the shade Black. Next is the Generation Clay Urban Defense Purifying Pink Clay Mask. And then we have the PYT Beauty Day to Night Eyeshadow Palette. Now this is the Cool Mini Quad. And then we also have the Pacifica Beauty Desert Sunset Blush and Bronzer Duo, as well as the Marc Anthony True Professional Curl Defining Lotion. Then we have the Benefit Cosmetics Porefessional Hydrating Primer, and then we also have the Verify 2020 Eye Cream. And then last but certainly not least is the Shayna B Miami Contour Brush. So guys, just as I was editing this, they did put out the choice for September Plus, as well as the Plus add-ons. Now these are the older ones. This is the Yensa Silky Bronzing Base and Brush, and then the Go-To Skincare Fancy Face Oil Cleanser, as well as the Gold Fatten MD Mist RX Daily Nutrient Facial Mist. And then we have the Beauty Blender Original Sponge, along with the Avant Skincare Glycolic Acid Rejuvenating Face Exfoliator. Now guys, let's go ahead and name off the choice items. So the first choice item is the Yensa Silk Bronzing Base with Brush. Then the Avante Skincare Collagen Intense Radiance Activator Serum. Next is the Seraphine Botanicals, the Sakura and Sage Vegan Eye and Blush Palette. Then the Gold Fatten Brightening Elixir Protect and Repair Brightening Serum. And then next, guys, are the Plus add-ons. So check these out. So the first add-on is the Tarte Big Ego Mascara. Now this is a mini mascara. Next is the Beauty Blender Bounce Liquid Whip Longwear Foundation in the shades 1.20, 2.10, 3.25, 3.70, 4.20, and 4.60. Now guys, this is full size. This is one foundation that I have always wanted to try. If you've tried this out, let me know how it is. And then next is the Juice Beauty Green Apple Brightening Eye Cream. This again is another full size product. And next is something really exciting. This is the Farsali Serum. Now this is a trio. So you will get the Rose Gold Elixir, the Unicorn Essence, as well as the Liquid Glass. And these are all full-sized products, and it is $25 for the bundle. So next, let's go ahead and look at the Ultimate Bag. Now the choice items for Ultimate, the first one is the Gold Fatten MD Brightening Elixir Protect and Repair Brightening Serum. Next is the LA Muse Deep Color Lip Balm in the shade Poppy. Then we also have the Huda Beauty Complexion Perfection Pre-Makeup Base. We also have the Zoeva Cosmetics Spice of Life eyeshadow palette, and then the LA Muse Deep Color Lip Balm in the shade Cherry, as well as the Nature Lab Tokyo Perfect Repair Travel Set. Now this has got 3 pieces, shampoo, conditioner, as well as a treatment mask. Next is the Zoeva Cosmetics Caramel Melange eyeshadow palette. And then we also have the Zoeva Cosmetics Cocoa Blend eyeshadow palette. And then last but certainly not least is the Pixi by Petra Endless Silky Eye Pen Duo. Now there is one that is in Black Caviar and the other one is in Bronze Beam. So guys, let me know what you're going to be choosing, and of course as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check them out. Now let's read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much, Rita McCrae. I hope I said that right. Anyways, Rita says hello. Hello Rita, honey, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well, and I really appreciate you coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. Remember guys, you got to leave a comment if you want to shout out. Guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I don't have any. Yeah, they do it all the time, but if you would check on that for me. If you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you gotta take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. There's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers, so if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. That's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.